Good evening, South Africans. This is Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, the former public protector of South Africa. I would like to add my voice on the testimony of General Mkhwanazi. You'd hear the testimony and you'd realize that we still deal with the same actors, same individuals, same institutions. This is a process where you'd realize that the media, especially mainstream media, the judiciary, the police, the executive, the politicians are working and are all in this together, especially working with the criminals. One investigated various complaints, including the CR17, the Reserve Bank matter. I also started investigating the Phala investigation. So you'd realize that in South Africa, those individuals who are in power are always protected. So the testimony of General Mkhwanazi is very much encouraging. And because there's an ad hoc committee and he's given an opportunity to present his side of the story with evidence, and the process is also encouraging that it's a process where the members of parliament who are forming part of that ad hoc committee, they wouldn't cost anything or additional to the fiscus. But then we see the wastage through the Madlanga Commission, because that commission was not necessary. Spending more than 147 million to have a report which will be given to the executive, especially the president, who is also implicated on a number of issues, come to think of it, and how currently we have the suspended minister, the acting minister, the two deputy ministers. So the country is spending a lot in the meantime. So I hope sanity will prevail in this country, especially the president, to just, stop this process of Madlanga Commission and, just remove Minister Mkhunu. And at the end of the day, this report by the ad hoc committee of parliament is the report which will have to be implemented by the country to change the status quo, because you find that criminals are running amok or running the country. So I'll record more videos just to comment about the testimony, and especially about the reports one produced, and those reports we just set aside, and you find that those reports have a lot of evidence which will change the status quo in the South African perspective. Thank you.